Welcome to our chapter 5 of class 7th NCERT syllabus, that is acids, bases and salts. See children, in our daily life we use so many substances. Some of them are edible substances and some are non-edible substances. Let us discuss here about edible substances. See, the edible substances, for example, you take lemon, orange juice, tamarind, sugar, salt, mirchi, like this you take. Some of them are sour to taste, some are bitter to taste, some are salty, some are sweety and some are spicy. Means what? All the substances, they do not have the same taste. The taste is differing from substance to substance. Why it is so? That is due to presence of some specific ingredients in them. So now let us talk or discuss about sour tasting substances. For example, you take lemon, it will be sour to taste. Tamarind also sour to taste. Vinegar also sour to taste. Mango also sour to taste. These all substances, why they are sour to taste? Means because of they contain acids in them, and these acids sour to taste. That is the reason the substances are getting the sour taste. And the chemical nature of these substances will be acidic. Now the word acid, how it came? The word acid, it came from the Latin word acer. In Latin language, acer means sour. Now let us come to know about the types of acids based on the occurrence. The acids are of two types. They are natural acids and the synthetic acids. Natural acids are what? They occur in nature. These are known as natural acids. And the synthetic acids means what? They are synthesized or prepared in the laboratories. Now let us come to natural acids. Examples for natural acids are acetic acid. Where we find it? In the nature itself, that is in vinegar. Citric acid, in citrus fruits we find. Formic acid, in ants' sting we find. Lactic acid, we find in curd. Oxalic acid, we find in spinach. Ascorbic acid, this is also known as vitamin C, very important. It is found in citrus fruits. Tartaric acid, it is found in tamarind, grapes, unripe mangoes, etc. These all acids, as they are found in nature, they are known as natural acids. Now let us come to the examples for synthetic acids. Synthetic acids are prepared in the laboratories. For example, HCl is there, that is hydrochloric acid. H2SO4, sulfuric acid. HNO3, nitric acid. These are some examples for synthetic acids. So in this class, what we have seen, that what are acids we have seen, types of acids we have seen. In the next class, children, we will see what are bases and what are indicators. So, thank you. Bye.